to improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. This will help both YouTube and your audience to understand what your video is all about. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutorologist. In today's video, we will be sharing some valuable tips on how to optimize your YouTube titles, keywords and thumbnails and more for discovery. By the end of this video, you will know how to maximize your content's potential to reach your targeted audience. So let's dive in. Step number 1. Optimize your titles and keywords. The first step to optimizing your content is to ensure you are using the right keywords in your titles. Start by researching popular and relevant keywords related to your video topic. Your title should be eye-catching, accurate, and include your main keyword to improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Moving on to step number 2, optimize your video description. Provide a concise yet informative description that incorporates your main keywords and offers valuable information to your viewers. This will help both YouTube and your audience to understand what your video is all about. Step 3 is all about grabbing your viewers' attention. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Create custom thumbnails that accurately represent your content and entice potential viewers to click on your video. Make sure your thumbnails are visually appealing and consistent with your channel's branding. On to step number 4, include relevant tags. Adding appropriate tags to your video will help YouTube understand your content and improve its visibility in search results. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your video topic, and don't forget to include your main keywords. Last but not least, step 5 is optimize your content for readability and shareability. Create well-structured, easy to read and engaging content that encourages viewers to share your videos on social media. Use short sentences, write as you speak, and eliminate any errors or unnecessary fluff. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to optimizing your YouTube titles, keywords and thumbnails and more for discovery. Implement these tips and watch your channel grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing YouTube tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you would like to share your own optimization tips. Until next time, happy YouTubing.